Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. And what to say about this market? This market is very insane, and these kind of days is shaking the confidence of the traders, right? Particularly retail traders. So I had a short position. So I'm not going to say as I told you yesterday or see I have told that I have told this. I was purely 100% short in the market and market gapped up today. I had to book losses. What else to do, right? So if you see, bank nifty alone has gapped up. Yesterday bank nifty closed at around somewhere around 38,000. Today exactly opened at around 38,700 levels. I had 38,500, 38,600, 700, 800 calls being returned. And this first 10 minutes candle itself, I knew that nothing is going to happen. Market is not going to reverse. And in fact, this gap up which happened today is sustaining, right? And we really don't know what is the scene behind, what is the scene happening in US. Till yesterday, day before yesterday, everyone was bearish, and today everyone is bullish, right? Looking at the US market, I think just 2 minutes back I checked, it is US future, US Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P 500, everything is in the green. Europe is also in the green. S&P VIX has come down significantly, not much but significantly. Still it is above 30 only. And honestly speaking, this is very hard market to trade. And not only me, but I know many traders also would have lost. I'm not saying everyone would have lost, but positional option sellers would have lost, right? And this is the scene happening from Russia-Ukraine issue, right? From April, it is very hard to make money. If we make 1 or 2 months money, that also will go. It is like you make loss, you recover the loss. You make loss, then you recover the loss. You make loss, then you recover the loss. It's been very hard. Markets are insane, moving up, gapping down. So I could have done something to this today's gap up, but I thought, who knows what is going to happen tomorrow. Tomorrow is a local holiday and not an international holiday. US will be open tonight and tomorrow. If something happens, if I try to manage and if the market gaps up, it will create very big problem. So I thought we'll leave it, and I squared off, exited all my position, 90% of my position, and we'll see what happens next week, right? And this Fed event and Credit Suisse and all is gone, vanished in the air. I don't know what people were talking so much about this Federal Reserve emergency meeting and Credit Suisse, Deutsche Bank bankruptcy. They are having so much CDS, that on so much story, so much conspiracy around these things, but it has vanished. Nobody is talking now. Everybody is bullish. But the thing you have to remember is that US market is already beaten down so much, right? So it's already reached pre-COVID levels, right? There is a reason for US markets to bounce. Whenever the market falls, there will be correction, and that is what is happening right now, right? Maybe there will be correction for there will be retracement for 2 or 3 trading session, then ultimately it has to go down. That is what I think. But I didn't expect, honestly speaking, I didn't expect such a big gap up, and this has cost us, and it has dented our capital to some extent, right? So what to do? Since COVID, we are like this. All these years we have been making money, but last 3 years, only last year 2020 COVID came, we made a loss. 2021 we ended up in around 24 or 25% profit. This year you forget the profit. I don't know whether even I'm going to recover the losses what we made in May month. I made a huge loss, right? Because of that, Russia-Ukraine. I could remember May 10th, I think, Russia-Ukraine issue. There was a gap down of more than 450 points in Nifty. And it was an expiry day, and it wiped out. It was like losses was so much. So we couldn't do anything on the expiry day. Anyway, no use of talking about this lost money. Whatever money lost is lost. You cannot do anything about that. We'll think about the future, what can be done, or how we can evolve, or how we can think differently so that we make some money in this market. But honestly saying, making money in this market is really, really hard. At least India VIX has to come down below 15 to 13 levels, then you can take positional trades. So I'm planning to reduce my positional sizing also. So maybe already I have reduced, further I have planned to reduce. At least our capital will be saved, right? So capital is very, very important, right? Whether we make profit or not, we have to conserve our capital. And looking at the open interest front, you know that yesterday the whole world was bearish, and there was so much of call writing in this is where 38,500. I'm talking about Bank Nifty. 38,500, so much call writing was happening. 38,600, 38,700, 38,800, and even 38,000. So this 38,000, this big candle, I am one of those guys. So I am also who covered that position and short covering, and you know what happened, market rallied like anything. And obviously many big traders also lost today, and Nifty also same, 17,000. I saw yesterday so much of call writing, 17,100, 200. So everyone has short covered their short, and market has rallied so much. And FII data, if you see, both FIIs and DIs are net sellers today. I think NSE has updated their website. Around FIIs have bought for 1,344 crores, and DIs have bought for around 945 crores, right? Now, I really don't know what is going to happen on Thursday, because now it is really, we really don't know what direction this market is going. One day, not only our market, even the US market is so much volatile. One day it is going down by 500 points, next day it is gapping up, moving 700, 800 points. Day before yesterday, we saw Dow Jones going down by 500 points. Yesterday it rallied. At one point it was up by more than 700 points, I think. And now US future, US future is all in the green. And not only US futures, even Europe is all in the green. So this is the US market. Dow Jones is up by 389 points. S&P, Nasdaq, everything is up. FTSE is also up. FTSE is also in the green, right? So let us see how things pan out. Nothing much. I don't want to say that market is going to keep on going on the higher side. Still I am bearish. We'll be more conservative going forward, right? Because this cannot keep on continuing. Every time we do something, opposite happens. So this is not the case only for me, for everyone also. Every Tom, Dick and Harry in this market is just making losses. Every big trader is making losses. I don't have to say that. You can go and check the social media. Every genuine person you know is making losses. So that is how the market is. This market is very hard to make money, right? Anyway, nothing wrong. Markets are market. If you are trading for 10 years and maybe 8 years you are profit and 2 years you are not in profit, is not a big deal. We will recover the losses, right? So thank you for watching. Tomorrow is a holiday. I hope you enjoy the holiday. Take care. Bye.